Have you ever reached down near the floorboard of your car to pull that small lever marked with a tiny fuel pump icon? With a sharp metallic click, a small spring-loaded door on your rear fender pops open, exposing the gas cap. While many modern vehicles now use electronic buttons or push-to-release doors, mechanical floor levers remain a familiar fixture in millions of automobiles. But have you ever wondered why car manufacturers started hiding fuel door releases inside the passenger cabin in the first place? Why didn't early cars have locked fuel doors? How does a simple steel cable running under your carpet keep your gasoline safe from theft and vandalism? Let's dive into the fascinating story behind these interior releases right here on Simple Why. As automobiles became common during the early 20th century, external fuel caps were completely exposed to anyone walking past the vehicle. Early cars often had fuel filler necks mounted directly on top of the hood, along the outer fender, or exposed behind the rear license plate. These caps simply unscrewed like a lid on a glass jar. Security was not a major concern because gasoline was extremely cheap and vehicle ownership was relatively rare. Drivers simply pulled up to early curbside pumps, unscrewed the metal cap by hand, and filled their tanks without touching any interior release mechanism. That open design became a massive liability during the global oil crises of the 1970s. As international oil embargoes caused severe fuel shortages, gasoline prices skyrocketed virtually overnight. Long lines wrapped around gas stations, and fuel became as valuable as liquid gold. Desperate thieves began walking through dark parking lots at night, equipped with rubber hoses and plastic jugs to siphon gasoline directly out of parked cars. At the same time, vehicle owners faced threats of fuel contamination from malicious vandalism. Car makers realized they urgently needed a simple, reliable way to lock the gas tank whenever the car was parked unattended. Initial security attempts relied on external locking gas caps that required a separate physical key. However, key-operated caps quickly proved frustrating for drivers. Keys frequently bent, lock cylinders froze solid in sub-zero winter weather, and road grime clogged the keyholes over time. Furthermore, standing in the freezing rain to unlock a dirty gas cap was unpleasant. To solve both security and convenience issues, engineers moved the locking mechanism inside the protected passenger cabin. By linking an interior lever to the fuel flap, the car's existing cabin door locks automatically secured the fuel tank whenever the vehicle was locked. The mechanical engineering behind a traditional fuel release lever relies on a classic mechanism known as a Bowden cable. A Bowden cable consists of a flexible inner steel wire sliding smoothly inside a protective outer casing made of coiled steel and plastic. Think of it like the flexible brake cable on a bicycle. When you pull the plastic floor lever inside your car, the lever pulls the inner steel wire tightly along the length of the vehicle floor. At the rear fender, the pulling wire retracts a small plastic or metal latch pin, allowing a tiny metal spring to pop the fuel door outward. Moving the lock inside the vehicle also protected the exterior paint and bodywork of the car. Keyholes mounted on outer body panels inevitably rusted over time, leaving ugly orange stains down the side of glossy paint. Furthermore, exposed keyholes invited vandals to jam sticks or dirt into the lock mechanism. An interior lever kept the outer sheet metal completely smooth and seamless. Drivers could simply pull up to a gas station, feel the cool plastic lever by their left foot, and hear the soft pop of the fuel flap opening without ever fumbling for extra keys in cold weather. Because mechanical cables can occasionally stretch, rust, or snap after years of heavy use, engineers built a hidden safety net into most vehicles. If you open your car's trunk or cargo area and peel back the soft fabric trim panel directly behind the fuel door, you will usually find a small plastic loop or brightly colored emergency cord. This manual override cable connects directly to the latch pin. if a snapped floor cable or dead electrical battery leaves your fuel flap stuck closed on an empty tank, pulling this emergency cord bypasses the primary release, retracting the latch manually so you never get stranded at a gas pump. Many modern vehicles have replaced floor levers entirely with central power locking systems. On these cars, the fuel door stays locked whenever the vehicle doors are locked. When you unlock your car using your smart key fob, an internal electric solenoid retracts the fuel door latch automatically. You simply walk up to the rear fender and push gently against the fuel door to spring it open. Paired with modern capless fuel necks that seal automatically when you withdraw the pump nozzle, fueling a car has become cleaner, faster, and more seamless than ever before. Despite the rise of electronic push-to-open doors, traditional cable-operated floor levers remain widely used in millions of budget-friendly passenger cars worldwide. Mechanical cables do not rely on battery power or computer control modules. Even if a vehicle's electrical system dies completely in a remote area, a mechanical lever will still pop the fuel door open every single time. That absolute mechanical reliability, combined with low manufacturing costs and simple maintenance, such and ensures that the humble floor lever continues to serve drivers around the globe. What started as an urgent response to fuel theft during the 1970s transformed into an essential feature of automotive convenience and vehicle security. By moving the fuel flap lock inside the protected passenger cabin, engineers created a simple cable system that protects gasoline, prevents paint damage, and simplifies refueling. So why do cars have fuel door release levers? Because that humble plastic handle provides a reliable, mechanical bridge between cabin security and daily convenience, keeping our fuel safe every time we park. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Every question has a story waiting to be discovered, and sometimes the smallest details can reveal the most fascinating answers. We hope this video inspired you to look at familiar things from a different perspective. Keep your curiosity alive, keep exploring, and never stop asking why. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Simple Why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.